Right, the owner's coming to collect it soon. So I just fitted the exhaust, the lad on top there, the kind of cap, hitching it up to the transfer box. And there you have the Ferguson Evolution, the Ferguson 20, 1946 to 56, the Ferguson 35, late 1956 and 57, and the Massey then from the Perkins engine from 1960 onwards to about 64. So that's the Evolution. I have to put on the roll bar now when I bring it outside. There's the transfer box on the back. I fitted this as it was just cable tied on the side. So we're ready to go. All sorted. I have to just tighten the exhaust when I get out. There's a twist in here. Get it twisted the right way so that the mirror works. Okay, do that. There we go. Smashing sunny evening. Trinona Bra Greenver. That's her now. Roll bar back on. Transfer box back on. Buttoned up. Really enjoyed working on it. Beautiful tractor. I have great memories of one of those turning hay when I was 12 all summer long. Really nice. Delighted. Now we got them all lined up. Sure, it would have been a shame not to. Now, which one is your favourite? My neighbour has a 135. We can put that the other side. We'd have 4 in a row. Oh, Sinead Tondera Tagaha, section 35. So that is it, the end of the series on the Massey 35X. It's been really enjoyable. When it's on a hultas of Egobber, le Quig Shachten and Nose. As I said earlier on, I worked on one when I was 12. It was my first job, turning hay all summer. It was a great summer of hay, and I had great memories aboard one of them. It wasn't just in as good a condition as that, but it was all spray painted up and everything was working. And yeah, I definitely got a feel for it, and I got fondness for the 35. So it's going to go in Gubber around 20 August and 35 Galua reached. I'm definitely going to be working on the 20 and the Gold Belly 35 in the next coming few days. One thing is for sure, I'm definitely going to be working on something. So goodbye for now, Slán Tamil, and sure we'll see you in the next video.